how to buy ELON'S political party token. So this token came under the symbol of America. But before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check their community on X. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 29 days ago and increased, as you can see, by 8,000% in the last 24 hours. Now, this token is trending number 1 in this Solana section on the screener. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet for that, as you can see. Now, first of all, I will just log into my wallet to be able to buy this token. Now, what you need to do after that, click here on swap and make sure to select this Solana token. Now, click here and paste the token address in the search bar. Now, as you can see, this also click on it and now click on I understand. Now, here you can type how much you want to buy. And this is how much you will be able to receive that token next to it. Now scroll down and you will be able to see here, so click on it. And after that, you will be able to redirect it to OKX or Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. It's easy and simple. So this is how to buy America token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.